This funny thing on my head is called an OptiVISOR, and it's one of the most important tools I have in my shop. I've always had one. I've even had them in my career as an engineer to see jet engine parts and to see defects in them. It's always been important for me to have one. I've always been just a little bit farsighted, and so I have a little bit of trouble seeing up close. Not much, but just enough to where I can't see details very clearly. And the OptiVISOR helps me see those details up clearly, and it's comfortable enough to where you're working and it doesn't tire out your eyes. So that's what this video is about. It's about the OptiVISOR. So what is an OptiVISOR? Well, an OptiVISOR is a magnifier that you can wear on your head. It's very comfortable, so you can do detailed work for hours on end or even all day, and it'd be very comfortable. It has an adjustable head strap back here, so you can adjust the tension on your head, and it also has removable lenses to where you can change out the different magnifications. You can get different magnifiers for this. You can get it 1.5 all the way up to 3.5 magnification. This one's 3. It's the one I find the most comfortable. The difference between those magnifications are the focal length. So if it's higher magnification like this one, you have to be a little bit closer to your work for it to be able to come into focus. I think this is around 6 to 8, maybe a little bit further than 8, to be able to bring it into focus for me. And I like it because even though I wear glasses for a little bit of, for reading and such, I can still wear the glasses while wearing the OptiVISOR, and it's very comfortable. It's very comfortable to wear. This one's made by Donegan, and Donegan has been around for a very long time. I even grew up with this back in the 80s because my mom, she used to do detailed paint work, and she would wear this because the detail was so fine, she needed to do it under magnification. And so she wore this very same model. So I kind of grew up with it, and I kind of knew about it. And that's why I chose it for my shop. I chose it for my shop because when I need to read a micrometer, or when I need to do some scribe work in machine blue on a metal part, it's always better to see it under magnification. I can never really bring something into true, focus when I'm looking at it with my own eyes. I'm a little bit, like I said, a little bit farsighted. But for anybody, it's a good idea to have just that extra little bit of magnification to when they need it. And it's very handy to have around for needlepoint, for machine work, for reading micrometers, for anything. I would highly advise it. I'm going to put a link down below for Amazon for this very same model, and it's by Donegan. I would recommend this one. It's been around forever, like I said, and this one's about 15 years old, and I haven't really treated it nicely at times. So even though it's plastic, it hasn't broke. Actually, nothing's broke on it. It's been pretty tough. And the lenses are real tough. They don't really scratch at all. And it's just a really good, well-made OptiVISOR from a company that's been around for a long time, and a model that's been around for a long time. So I hope this introduces you to a very useful tool for your shop or for your craft work or what have you. If you like this video, please like or subscribe, and we'll see you at the next video. Thank you for watching.